Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to this another video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you that how you can post a comment on TikTok videos using this TikTok bot. I have developed this functionality using PyAutoGui Python. It's a simple Python script. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to target the search query called ChatGPT. You can target accordingly. You can target any hashtag or any kind of keyword based on your interest, and the time interval for comment is 30 and the total comment to post is 5. Okay, so but before starting the bot, I'm going to show you something very special. When I log in to, please keep in mind you need to log in to your TikTok account fast, and your TikTok account must be in a dark mode. Okay, so you need to log into your TikTok account fast, sign in, and your TikTok account profile open in the dark mode. And the second thing, you need to take some sort of a screenshot. If I navigate to this folder, you see the screenshot here. Let me show you how you can do it. Check this out. Yes, so in this this is the folder, this is the screenshot folder, and now you can see these are 3 different screenshots. These things you need to require to take. If you are the Windows operating system, you need to have this tool, snipping tool, and you need to take a screenshot here of this one. Yes, this is the screenshot, and you just need to save it here, called logo.png. Yes, this is screenshot number 1. And the second screenshot you need to take is the screenshot of a comment button. This is the comment button. You need to take the screenshot here. Let me show you. Copy. Wait a minute, sorry. Yes, new, and this is the screenshot of a comment button. Okay, so this is the comment button. You need to take it. Yes, and you need to save here with the same name, called replace it. Then the second thing is, when I click on, sorry, third screenshot, when I click on, you see this add comment screenshot also. Okay, many of the people's many of users who use this bot, they are very get confused that the bot is not starting, because the screenshots you need to take, especially if you are on a Mac or Linux operating system. For Windows, best you need to log in. Your profile must be login. This is my profile, this is my test account, and I'm going to start this function. So this is ChatGPT. You can set accordingly. For example, I say like for example, Gemini, let's say talk about nano banana. Okay, nano banana, and I'm going to start this bot by pressing this play icon. The TikTok is already open in my Chrome browser. I will show you how this will work. And when I start the play button, it start and collecting the links of TikTok videos relating to the keyword nano banana. There are many videos are available, and here is it. Okay, now you need to see bot is waiting to start. Action required. Please open Chrome browser and log into your TikTok account. Ensure the TikTok is in dark mode for correct operation. Excessive comment may lead to account suspension temporarily or permanently. Okay, so the bot is start. Now it just need to wait for the browser need to be open, and then it start working. So you can check this out. It's redirect to a video URL, and now you see it will start auto commenting. Yes. It wait for the 30 seconds because we set the limit of 30 seconds, and one by one after 30 seconds it shared the comment. You see the comment here, power is the result of focus discipline. This is the code which posted by this bot from my profile, and your account will never get suspended if you use this properly. uh, your account will never get suspended. This is the second video. It will redirect. I will show you the real stuff. Now you see here, this is the log. Now these are the old logs. Comment on a video. Money is the fuel for your mission at time. You see here is it. These are the logs. Recently, because it around 25 12th 29th of December 7:55 PM 43 second. So after the 30 seconds, each comment post and the logs has been displayed into the logs.txt file. You can see clear inside this single encode, and which help you to determine the performance of the bot. And this is overall the Python script. Keep in mind, it will never ever ban your Instagram account, TikTok account. You can use it in your official account also, but there are some sort of limitations. Okay, so you need to understand this, and I hope you really like this video. I explained the whole stuff, how to take screenshot and how you can use it here, how you can build this, how you can run this system actually into your PC if you are on Linux or Mac, something else, or the Windows will not able to pick in a screenshot the complete process. So thank you very much. I hope so more interesting video coming to my channel one by one, day by day. So all for this video. Thank you.